My dear viewers, welcome to a new episode of Busy Bee from Germany. Our topic today is Barbie collection. Where should you start? Should you really start with a vintage Barbie, or is a fashionista Barbie maybe better for you? I'm Busy Bee from Germany and welcome to my channel. So I want to give you some aspects to think about when you start a Barbie collection or not. So I would like to start with the pricing. You should keep in mind that the older dolls cost a lot more money than a fashionista Barbie, which you can buy at Walmart or in another supermarket. They are much cheaper than the really old ones. So collectors also think that movability is a factor to keep in mind. I'm not really interested that my dolls are so movable like this one. You can move her in any direction because she has a made-to-move body, and this one has not a made-to-move body, but I'm not really so interested in moving my dolls in any position, and so this plays no big role for me, but to some collectors it plays a very important role. What you also can consider is, do you just want to collect for fun, or do you want to do this seriously over a long period of time? Or is it just something that you just want to do for the end of Corona or something like this? So maybe you are still very young and you don't know if you want to collect your whole life or not. So this is also maybe an aspect to keep in mind when you want to start a collection. Do you want to do it a long time, or do you want to do it short time? Are you old enough? Are you already old enough to collect the higher priced dolls? Or do you still want these ones that are not so expensive just for having fun with them? A further aspect is the quantity. These dolls were also mass produced in the 60s, but they were not as in a quantity produced like this one. This one was from around 2010, and she was really a mass production, and you can find her and her sisters very often for a low price. So these ones are not so easy to find in very good condition. Of course, the condition also has an impact on the price on the doll that you maybe want to buy or not, but keep it in mind as a factor. So the really unplayed dolls are much higher priced than the ones that have been played with. Some collectors also see their collection as an investment, so you maybe think about buying dolls just as an investment in your future. But this topic is not as big as it was in the 90s anymore when I started to collect. But some collectors really see their dolls as an investment. It's not just about Barbie dolls, it's also about other stuff that collectors collect, but it's also a factor to keep in mind. Similar to the factor that some collectors just collect because they want to keep up something from their childhood, maybe a lost memory or something else positive from the past, so that they can keep up the memory. It's a factor that's often mentioned in scientific magazines, that you find often collectors just collecting for something they missed from their childhood. Of course, you can also do it for a reason of passion. You can just love the dolls and just collect for passion because you love fashion and You can dress them anytime you want. That's also a possible factor that can have an impact for the reason that you want to collect or not. And you can also use the dolls to learn about the world. If you want to, like me, I often use my dolls for learning something new, like sewing, making patterns, restoring them, or rerouting them. That's also a factor that can have an impact if you want to start to collect or not. But this is in general an overview. This is nothing really negative, that's nothing really positive, that are just aspects, and I don't want to judge anyone who starts to collect or who doesn't start to collect. But there are certain factors that can have an impact or not to consider when you want to start, or if you doesn't want to start. Just keep that in mind. My dear viewers, I hope I have given to you some new aspects of Barbie collecting. I hope you have learned something in this video. You have new aspects of why you should maybe start a Barbie collection or why not. Question of the day is, have you already started to collect yet, or is it still an idea in your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my little video. You share, like and subscribe. We see each other in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye.